Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Eve.
You already had breakfast?
Yes.
Okay. So, do you like food? Okay. Can you name three foods you like? You can write the answer in red box. Three food. Favorite food. You like? Nugget? Okay, thank you guys. What do you like usually eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner?
I like pizza.
Are you good at our topic today? Vocabulary, your food. Okay, so about the picture, our picture already give to you that's what we learned today. That is vocabulary, food, and grammar. Now, and here I will explain about some, any, and too much. If some used in positive sentence to state a number of objects that are not specific can be complete or not. For example, example for some. And any, if any used in negative sentence or question to state a number of objects that are not specific. For example, I don't have money. Do you have questions? Yes.
Morning.
If too much used for uncountable nouns that not be concept unit mean too much and has a negative meaning. Example. He drank too much coffee last night. Don't put too much sugar in it. Okay, do you understand my explain? Maybe you still don't understand. You can ask again.
Can you explain again about something and too much?
For about sound, use in positive sentence to state a number of objects that are not specific can be complete or not. Yes, for example, I have friends in Jakarta. She bought some apples. And any use in negative sentence or question to state a number of objects that are not specific. For example, I don't have money. Do you have question? And too much used for uncountable nouns. Nouns that cannot be counted unit mean too much and has a negative meaning. For example, you drank too much coffee last night and don't put too much sugar in milk. If you understand, you can write the sentence about some, any, and too much on the paper. One sentence.
Ya.
And so I can give you a type and this. I can give you what you Are you finished, guys?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now we're gonna look for the answer that is not or no. So I will read and answer the question. The L.
Tidak.
Okay. Number one, vocabulary matching. A is match with.
Number 3.
That's good. B is match with.
2.
Ah, that's good. C is match with.
Number 1.
Correct. D is match with. A is match with.
Number 8 and 5.
Number two, grammar. Complete the sentence using there is, there are, blah blah blah. Some bananas is in the basket.
I have. There are. There are.
The correct answer, there are some bananas in the basket. Okay, number three. For breakfast, Lina else with Buddha and drinks a glass of milk. What does Lina drink for breakfast?
Glass of milk.
That's good. Number 4. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct word to complete the sentence. I don't have blah 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 sugar in my tea.
Much. Any, why? Because it's I think any is for money, but much is something like more than one. You can yeah, that's so much. So I choose to eat much. I don't have much sugar in it. I don't have milk. That's correct.
Correct answer A. The correct answer A. Okay. Number 5. Speaking correctly writing from writing to the sentence about your favorite food. Mention. Yes, sir. Number 5, speak corrective writing. Write 3 sentences about your favorite food. One by one for Paris.
About my favorite food. My favorite food is chocolate, and I eat when I'm sad. And I choose because I like because it's sweet. That's good. My favorite rice. I almost every day eat it goes at home, and I like the rice because. My favorite food is mixed roasted. My favorite food is noodle, and I like it and it's my Vietnam. My favorite food is fried fish
Because
because for its nutrition.
Okay, thank you. What do you from our learn today? Do you get?
Yes.
Can you tell me what you get today?
Vocabulary for food.
Okay, that's good answer. And now I hope you from our learn today. Do you get?
Yes.
Can you tell me what you get today? What kinds?
About vocabulary, the topic is food. We learn about the vocabulary, many vocabulary.
Okay, Bertita.
I learned any. This is negative sentence.
What's your
About farm.
What's your answer?
Today I said how we were when we were some grammar.
Okay, that's good answer. And, and now I hope you enjoy your class today and forget to share your favorite food to your friend and see you next